So here is literally where everything starts. So I and my cousin had gone to check out the venue a day before the wedding, and it was looking so stunning even before it was completely done. So I took the liberty to show you how it was before it was completely finished.
Like say no, let me the job.
No, the job. So this is the morning of the wedding. We woke up by 5 a.m. Everybody's running errands and getting ready. I already posted a prep video, so you're going to have to check that out separately. Thank you. Lynn, look up.
I can't see it.
No, I'm seeing you. Mile. Hi, Glory. See the pretty baby. Well done, guys. These aren't all the bridesmaids. I couldn't get all of them. I was rushing that morning to get my dress adjusted. I went with my cousin, so I was able to get like a couple shots with them. And I ended up going late with 2 other bridesmaids, so we got to the church late. These are the Vanugo aunties looking all stunning as usual with the bride's mother. So this is the bride and groom's entrance with your bridesmaids and the groomsmen. Yeah, looking all beautiful.
I can fulfill all your fantasies. Girl, you know I'm my time. Tell me, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasies. Yeah, you know I'm my time. Yes, I'm my time, girl. Give me slow wine for the rest of my life. Cause I know places we need to go. And I know things we need to do. And I don't see us breaking up. When all I do is fiend for you. We can go to Africa, teach you how the streets move. I don't want to lose you. Tell me what you won't do, cause I do anything for you. Anytime rise the queen salute me.
And so the MC brought them up to cut their cake, but he didn't want it to be like any regular cake cutting. So he did this thing where he counted down from 20 down to 1, and that was literally just to know how many kids they were going to have. So if they had stopped at 5, that meant that they wanted 5 kids. So yeah, he literally called it family planning.
Nowadays girls them really ruthless. Yes, I'm my time. Girl, you know.
The wife still behind. Effect 12, effect 10, effect 8. Emeka is about to proceed. Emeka 9, Emeka 8, Emeka want to okay. Now fun now, now man.
Can't sleep, tossing and turning, body yearning and craving something I have never tasted, but think about it on a regular basis. Let's face it, you got me open. You know what's up, and you know it. I wanna show it. Body language.
Section in Enugu State in Nigeria. So we have to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready for the game? Are you ready? Sit down. DJ, play Shaking My Flavor. Let's see. Shaking My Flavor. That's good. You're here. Not so many. Stand up. Is you ready? Say. Let me know how you're ready. If you dance very well, that means you're ready now. If you don't dance at all, you step through me. DJ, let's go.
My time, baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy. Yeah, they know my time, baby, can you handle it? Red wine vibe with the candles lit. I can fulfill all your fantasy. Said I be heading to the paper, running on vapors. Need a few acres, no more haters. While I be stepper, dan dada, more money. Bank robber, while I be stepper, dan dada, more money. Bank robber, while I be stepper, dan dada, more money. Beats well clean in the London streets, so we reach and nothing normal. Mr. Beats well clean in the London streets, and we reach and nothing normal. And in the formal night, what the one vibe, your girl said.
Let's go! Go! We are counting. The BRIDESMAID are winning. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, all winner! No spraying of money, please. The first couple that come out, let me see. Emeka, Forever in Love 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, listen. Watch out.
I'm not looking for a love right now. And should I mention, I'm not looking for your love right now, just your attention. Because I'm trying to talk to you about nothing serious, and I want you to focus. I just don't want your mind to wander off, 'cause I'm so engaged. Oh. So won't you touch me with your eyes? I don't wanna feel your hand alone. Oh, won't you touch me with your eyes? Because I need your mind's attention.
You move to go down. Let them know it's not easy.
Biggest space. It's still the last thing. Wait, it's not. Oh, okay, very soon. Very soon. Because okay. It's past. Why? That is that all?
But you snapped us, right?
No. Wait. When you decided to do it? Which one are we using?
So we all wanted to like make a video with the bride's brother, and we wanted him to like go down and stuff, but he said no. Okay, all the way from Tanzania. This is the bride and her ladies, and Emeka.